Hi there. I've met most of you at one time or another, but for those I haven't, my name is Tommy Santrock, Vice President of Sales here at Leatherman. We've been in the business of selling the military for years, but not until today have we delivered a product specifically designed for the soldier's needs. And the MUT is just that.
It's the best of the heavy-duty Leatherman multi-tools, and the MUT is also equipped with added features that make it a true utility tool for M16s and AR-15s. Although designed to the rigorous specifications of Leatherman and military performance specifications, it's the perfect tool for civilian AR-15 owners as well.
Since the MUT has several features designed specifically for the M16 and AR platform, let's go through a quick overview of these weapons. And there's no one more qualified to help me with that than Aaron Hampton and Robbie Johnson. Proud to say that Aaron and Robbie have been instrumental in helping our team here at Leatherman design the MUT.
This is one of the many variations of the M16 AR-15 family of rifles, one of the world's most advanced and prolific weapon systems.
These weapons are shoulder-fired, magazine-fed, gas-operated, and fire from the closed bolt position.
A few of the basic components of the AR-15 M16 family of rifles that your Leatherman MUT was designed for are optic mounting and adjustment, takedown and retaining pin removal, firing pin retaining pin removal, cleaning of your bolt carrier, bolt, and firing pin, as well as attachment of cleaning rods and brushes.
These are the primary weapon systems used by the U.S. military, and there are more than 20 million in U.S. homes today.
We've designed two versions of the MUT, the utility model and the EOD version.
On the utility version, military uses include pliers with jaws sized for heavy-duty work and weapons maintenance, needle-nose pliers for delicate repairs, pins, and scopes. You can cut through barbed wire with the replaceable wire cutters, or make quick work of troublesome stranded wire with the stranded wire cutters. The MUT also includes a knife with the size and strength to be a primary field blade, a saw for creating cover or clearing a line of fire, and a hammer for just about anything. A cleaning rod adapter makes maintaining the weapon a simple task. And for adjustments to optics and rifle parts, there are screwdrivers. There's a pocket clip for easy transport, or use the carabiner instead. Another way to take it with you is in the MOLLE sheath. It's compatible with the accessory mounting system found on all military field gear.
It's also important to remember that in addition to these military functions, the MUT is great for off-duty and recreational use, just like all of our other tools. Now, what makes the MUT designed specifically for the M16 and AR-15 shooters are these key features.
bolt override is the most difficult malfunction to clear. For this reason, most shooters prefer to transition to a secondary weapon and apply remedial action at a later time. A bolt override occurs when a piece of brass or a live round is trapped at an angle between the chamber, the charging handle, and the bolt carrier. Due to this angle, the charging handle cannot be used to pull the bolt out of battery. To clear this malfunction, drop your magazine, insert your bolt override tool onto the bolt carrier, pull back sharply to the rear. Now your weapon is clear, and thanks to your Leatherman MUT, a potentially life-threatening malfunction has been quickly remedied. Now you're ready. The primary enemy to your M16 or AR-15 rifle is carbon deposited from the direct impingement gas system. Over time, this carbon builds up and can harden, degrading the performance of your weapon system. The carbon scraper on your Leatherman MUT is made of bronze and is user replaceable. This prevents scarring of your parts and allows for replacement after years of hard use. It is designed to reach all areas of the bolt carrier group and has enough surface area to quickly clean them. Safety, or cord cutters, are necessary for a number of day-to-day operations for all uniformed services. We designed our cord cutters to offer great leverage for cutting zip ties and flexi cuffs, as well as clothing and cord. A bit in the driver can block access to the oversized cutter opening, or be left out for immediate use. The Leatherman MUT is designed for a lifetime of service, so like all parts that can wear out, the cutter blades are user replaceable.
One particularly useful feature of the MUT is the replaceable firearm disassembly punch. This replaceable tool is used when taking apart an M16 or AR-15 for internal cleaning, lubrication, or inspection. The takedown pins can be removed by using the disassembly tool alone, or with the hammer end of the MUT when necessary.
In addition to the MUT utility model, we've also developed the EOD, or Explosives Ordnance Disposal version. This one has 3 specific differences that make it a preferred choice for military breachers, the elite few who work specifically with explosives.
Replacing the standard wire cutters are fuse wire cutters, designed for cutting detonation cords and time fuse wires. The jaws contain military performance spec cap crimpers. Plenty of Leatherman tools currently include cap crimpers, but the MUT is the only one designed to military performance specifications. And finally, there's the C4 punch. This tool is made for prepping explosive devices and makes the MUT EOD the ideal tool for anyone who works with explosives.
So there you have it, the new Leatherman MUT utility and EOD tools. I'm really excited about these 2 new products, and I think the potential for us is great. Aaron, Robbie, and the Leatherman engineering team have leveraged the Leatherman difference of materials, design, and engineering to really produce a tool targeted for a specific end user. We're tapping into a huge market with an absolutely fantastic, new, unique product and amazing brand strength. Now let's go get her done.